Hello traders, welcome back. Today is Wednesday the 6th of September and we're going to look back at yesterday's trade. We're going to look at today's potential trades, of which there are about 300, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So let's get started. Yesterday was about Canadian dollar strength, guys. All right. And the first trade was Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc. And we were looking to buy this pair. Why were we looking to buy it? Well, price had come down, found itself in this range. Yeah, like a range stroke downtrend. But then as soon as we got this large candle, guys, you know, I'm looking for longs because trend has changed. Yeah, we're in an uptrend. We're getting higher highs. We're above the moving average 20 as well. All right. So the structure was in an uptrend. And then if we zoom in, guys, it just, you know, we saw this doji in here and it was just at a nice level. It's at the moving average 20 and at this grey horizontal zone. So there's nice support here to take price back up to these highs. And that's pretty much what happened, guys. Could we get into this trade? Yes, we could. Let's drop down to the H1 chart now and see how we traded it. So, guys, yeah, we were just waiting for that bullish reaction and ideally a structure break as well. Okay, and if we just follow H1 structure down, you can see, you know, this was holding. This grey zone was holding, and then eventually we got a break in structure. We broke these highs and these highs, yeah, with this candle here. Okay, as soon as we got that break, guys, we could enter on here. Yeah, put our stop below here, and then yeah, I took price up to around 6527, I think it was around here. Got my risk to reward of 1:1, yeah, roughly, yeah, and then I closed 80%, guys. Yeah, that's how I roll. Part of my strategy. It helps me, helps me to secure profit and let 20% run. And now, guys, I'm in this trade for, so this is still my higher time frame target, but the 20% remaining that I have down here, yeah, of this trade, I will now move to this low. I will just move it here, okay, and I will trail the stop, okay. So yeah, I'll just leave this running, yeah, keep doing this, put my 20% here. If it comes down, takes it out, no problem. All right, guys, so Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, nice trade, nice profit to be had. The next trade from yesterday was this Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. So obviously a highly correlated pair. Like I say, guys, we were looking at Canadian dollar strength. And I didn't trade this one because I traded Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. But let's take a look at this because we did have a setup here as well. So what were we looking at, guys? We were looking at an ascending triangle. Okay. And this is an ascending triangle. Okay. Price is ascending upwards. Yeah. So we had that. And yeah, if we zoom in, you can see we had, you know, and we're still in an uptrend. This low here never breaks, because that is the last low. It never breaks. We get this wick followed by this candle. And the idea again was just to take price back up to this grey zone, this blue line to be exact, if not further up to this blue line. Okay. If we drop down to the H1 again, if you remember my idea from yesterday, it was simply this, guys. Yeah, we've got our grey zone mapped out, a place where price could react. And if I zoom in, yeah, we were just looking for a bullish reaction out of this grey zone. And we got one, guys. I probably wouldn't have entered on this candle. Yeah, it's not bullish enough because this is so bearish. This is not bullish enough. But once we get this candle, bullish enough. So you could enter here, put your stop below here and take price higher. All right, so yeah, both the Canadian dollar trades worked out nicely, as did our gold trade. Okay, and yeah, I entered this as well, guys. So the Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, and my gold trade, guys, I put both of these trades in my VIP Discord channel. Okay, that's where I put all of my trades as and when I enter them. So if you're interested in my trades, my trade alerts, then come join the VIP Discord. So guys, let's start with the day chart. Let's give a top-down approach, yeah? So we were looking for shorts because for me, yeah, we are still in a downtrend because this last high here hasn't broke. All right, so we're still in a downtrend. And we were getting all these bearish candles at this nice level of resistance, okay? So we were looking for shorts for those reasons, okay? And as you can see, you know, it was a nice bearish day. So how did we enter? Let me explain. So on the H1, guys, again, we just have our gray zones. These gray zones are the all-important zones for us, yeah? We're looking for breaks or we're looking for reactions in these gray zones. And this was the gray zone we had marked out, guys. And all I was looking for was a break of these lows here. Yeah, even these lows here. And if I zoom in so you can actually see it, I can't even see it myself. Yeah, there was this candle here. So this candle literally just broke out of the gray zone, broke these lows. So we started selling here. We put our stop above here. And I got 1:1 at 19.26, around here, guys. Okay. So again, I'm just looking for my 1:1, roughly. Yeah. I got that. Yeah. Closed 80%. And again, I'm in this trade for 20%. And I will just keep trailing my stop. So again, my stop will go from here to here because this is the last swing high on the H1. And generally speaking, guys, that's where I place my stop, above the swing high or below the swing lows of a H1 trend. Yeah, really profitable, nice day, guys. Yeah, you know, we could do no wrong yesterday. And again, if you want my trade ideas, they're in the VIP Discord. Right, let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy my analysis every day, then come join the channel. Subscribe to the channel right now. Also, smash that notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if I could ask everyone to please smash the like button right now. Thank you very much. Gracias, dankeschön, shukran. Guys, there's so many trades today for Wednesday, the 6th of September. But before I get started, let me just mention a few cool things our channel does. So first of all, guys, we've got the free Discord channel. It's free. There's loads of value in there. We've got traders sharing ideas. We've got indicators, useful links, many things, guys. So come join the free Discord. The link is in the video description. Secondly, guys, we've got the VIP Discord. You do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions if you need help or you're stuck or whatever you need. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. We also have 2 other expert traders sharing their trade ideas. I give you exclusive content every week in the form of tutorials. And also, guys, we have access to a performance coach now as well. So if you need help with performance, we also have that. So lots of value in the VIP Discord. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. Again, the email is in the video description. Next, if you enjoy my analysis every day, watch our live streams every day, then come and show your support, guys. Yeah, you can become a YouTube member of Simply Forex. Okay, so it starts from as little as under $2 a month, and you get some really cool perks for doing so, guys. So come join that. And finally, guys, don't forget our live stream, 8 a.m. New York EST. be there or be square. Get your questions ready. I'll see you later for that. Right, like I say, trades for today, guys. Give me about 3 hours. So first and foremost, I'm interested in US dollar major pairs and US dollar strength. So you can we've got lots of ideas here. So US dollar Swiss franc, you can see, it came up to this important zone and now it's broken. Okay. And we're in an uptrend. So US dollar Swiss franc was a potential trade, but I've got to narrow it down to the trades I like the most. Yeah, I mean, if you look at any New Zealand US dollar, yeah, again, these are all day charts, guys. This has broken these lows. Yeah, that's a continuation of trend potentially as well. Let's look at Euro US dollar. Everyone trades that. Yeah, if we look here as well, we've got a little bit more room. We're in a downtrend, clearly. We finally broke these lows and we got a bit of room to move into. Okay. So lots of US dollar pairs I'm looking at, but the ones I prefer are these. The first one is US dollar Japanese yen. Okay. So you can see, if I just drag this out a little bit, you can see that price is clearly in an uptrend. Yeah, we wasn't too sure. It was in a bit of a range, really, but now bang. Yeah, we have broken with this candle here. We have broken out of this range and even broken this high, which is what I like. Okay, we're not millions of miles away from the moving average 20, so there's some value and we've got some room to move into back up to this blue line here. All right. If I scroll out, you can see this blue line is basically taking us up to just before this resistance zone at 148.32. All right, so we like this, guys. Okay, if we drop down to the H4, we've got a couple of areas we can trade from. So it could retrace down into this zone. Yeah, we get a bullish reaction. Okay. Then we can start trading this pair back up to that blue line, or price could, retrace all the way back down to this gray zone. Yeah, where you can see price has reacted many times. And again, we're just looking for a bullish reaction. And when I say bullish reaction, guys, I mean a H1 and or a H4 bullish green candle. Yeah, if I'm looking for buys, I need to see buyers entering the market. Okay, once I get one of them, we could also potentially enter from here. Okay, so US dollar Japanese yen, that's, like I said, I've got to narrow it down. So that's the first US dollar major I like. But please bear in mind, guys, we do have a lot of US data later in the day. And the other one I like is gold. Still like gold, guys. Yeah, I'm still in a trade as we speak. And we're still looking to short this pair. Yeah, if we just follow the day trend, the day structure, we're still, until this last high here is broken, we're still in a downtrend. Okay, and yeah, we're getting, look at all these sellers. Sellers have taken control of this market. Okay, so we're looking to take it back down to this blue line, which is quite a close target, if not back down to this blue line. All right, so that's the idea. If we drop down to the H4 now, because it's a bit of a H4 play rather than a H1, what we want to see, guys, is price come back up into this grey zone, potentially test these lows here, and the moving average 20 catches up with it. This would be a really nice area. Okay, but anywhere in this grey zone would be good. All right, and then again, we get a bearish reaction and we look to take price lower. Okay, simple as that, guys. Okay, so yeah, US dollar yen, gold, US dollar short, US dollar yen long, gold, US dollar short. Yeah, US dollar strength is what we're seeing. But again, be wary of the news. There's so many trades, guys. The next ones I'm looking at, I like the look of Swiss franc weakness. Okay, we were trading this yesterday with the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. So if we look at the day chart, so again, guys, yeah, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, we're in an uptrend. Got a nice bullish reaction here. Yeah, we're getting higher highs, higher lows. So again, guys, yeah, I like Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. But bear in mind, we've got the interest rate decision for Canada later. So this is not the one I'm going to choose. I also like Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, but this is not the one I'm going to choose. Yeah, again, this is the day chart. We're in an uptrend and it's come back and tested the last lows. We've got a bit of a wick. Yeah, we're getting a bit of rejection here. We could quite easily take this back up to these highs. Yeah, pound Swiss franc. Yeah, like I say, Swiss franc weakness. Pound Swiss franc is more of a range. Okay, but we are in an uptrend because we've got higher highs. These lows haven't broken. And then as you can see, price, we did get a bearish reaction, but then look at yesterday's candle. Super bullish, which says we could, potentially take price back up to the top of this range. Okay, so Swiss franc weakness, but the one I really like is this, is New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc. Okay, so why do I like this the most? Because this had the best reaction at the lows. Okay, so if we look at New Zealand, let me get my big head out of the way. If we look at New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, yeah, we are in an uptrend. As soon as we broke these highs, we've got higher highs, higher lows, and these lows held. And we got this nice rejection wick at that level. So the idea would be to take price back up to here, not here. This was an old target, guys. Yeah, we'll be looking to take price back up to here. So that's the idea, and this is a trade idea. New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, looking to buy this pair. If we drop down to the H4 now, actually let's drop down to the H1, because what am I looking for? So, this candle now is pretty good, yeah? But what I'm really looking for, guys, is that H1 structure break, which is why I've got this gray zone in. All right. So you can see, we are in a downtrend on the hourly. Okay. But now we're starting to see higher lows. And all I want to see, guys, is a break of this high here. And therefore, we get higher highs. And that confirms the uptrend on the H1. And then if we get that, guys, yeah, we can take price back up to here. I am interested in this candle right now. Okay, I'll take a look at this in a minute. I need to finish my analysis. So yeah, New Zealand Swiss franc long, that is a trade idea for today. There's more, guys. Hold on to your hats. There is more. I also like this Euro Aussie dollar. Where are you? Here, guys. Okay, so again, if we look at the day chart, yeah, we are in a downtrend. All right, price got to here, we wasn't sure, bit of a range, yeah, but then price broke this range. Okay, so we have lower lows, lower highs, downtrend. Okay, and then yesterday, so this is, this is obviously a opposite reflection of Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, they are inversely correlated. And then, as you can see, guys, again, we've got this big wick. I know it's a bullish candle. I'm aware of that. I have eyes, but it's the wick that I like. It's rejected these last highs. Okay, so I think we can take price back down to here, this level through here, or even back down to these daily lows. If we drop down to the H1 now, what am I looking for? Okay, not quite bearish enough, but this is what I'm looking for. Yeah, we've already had this H1 structure breakdown. Okay, and now price has come back and retested this level. So I'm looking for a bearish reaction in here. Yeah, this candle that's just reacted now because of this bottom wick probably isn't bearish enough. Yeah, it's not, well, it isn't bearish enough for me. Okay, but price could react here or, back at these highs. But what I'm looking for, guys, is a bearish candle, a bearish reaction, and then we can start taking price lower. Okay, yeah, more bearish than this candle. Okay, so that's Euro Aussie dollar, guys. I've even got another trade for you, but before I show you my last trade idea, first of all, guys, if you're enjoying my trade ideas, if you could come join the channel, yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Also smash the notification button, and also if everyone could please smash the like button, it really helps support the vid, guys, and it's greatly appreciated. Okay, so smash the like button. Yeah, please do that, guys. Yeah, and don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord channel, we've got the VIP Discord channel, we've got mentorship program, and you can become a YouTube Simply Forex member as well. Right, the last trade idea is Euro New Zealand dollar. Okay, so obviously Euro Aussie dollar, Euro New Zealand dollar are positively correlated, and Euro New Zealand dollar and New Zealand dollar Swiss franc are inversely correlated. Okay, so you must be aware of this when we enter those trades. Let's start with the day chart. So what are we seeing? We are seeing a downtrend. Yeah, lower highs, lower lows, and then prices retraced. Okay, and if I zoom in, you can see we've had a nice bearish wick. Yeah, you know, and we're below the moving average 20 as well. I like this. Okay, if we drop down to the H4, I have put none of my gray zones in. What a terrible YouTuber. But there's this level through here, guys. You can see it, yeah? Okay. And all I'm looking for my gray zones, guys, is where did price react historically? Yeah, and price has reacted here. Now I'm going to drop down to the H1. Okay, what are we seeing? Right, we could probably put the last highs in, okay, as well. So, guys, yeah, I'm going to look for one of two things to happen. So price could retrace back to these highs, yeah, may even touch this gray zone, all right, but we get a bearish reaction, we can start selling this pair. All right, I would probably take it down to here, take some profit, let some profit run. Or, guys, if it doesn't retrace back up to here, we could just wait for a breakdown of this level, yeah. We get a break of this gray zone that I just highlighted to you, get a retest, we can start selling this pair in here back down to these lows. All right, guys, so a couple of ways we can short Euro New Zealand. And that is everything I'm looking at today, guys. Yeah, thousands of things. So, guys, yeah, that's it for the trade ideas. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Wednesday, the 6th of September. So we've had some important news overnight. You can see the GDP figures coming out of Australia, and they were a lot better than expected. So we can expect some Aussie dollar strength off the back of them. And then if we carry on down, guys, what are we waiting for? So we are waiting for this, guys, yeah, at 2:45. All these times are London GMT. First of all, we've got the global services PMI. Okay, so this could move any US dollar pair. 15 minutes later, we've also got non-manufacturing PMI and non-manufacturing prices. So these 15 minutes here could really move the US dollar, guys. And we're looking at a couple of US dollar pairs, so must be aware of that coming out. Okay, and then, yeah, after that, guys, well, no, at the same time, guys, we've got some big daddy news, yeah? We've got the interest rate decision coming out of Canada, and we've got the statement as well. So again, you know, this is big news, guys. This is really going to move the Canadian dollar. And they're expecting no increase, yeah, 5%. They're expecting it to stay at 5%. So must be aware of this news today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to join me for the live stream today. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you later, guys.